If your old buddy from work sends you a zip file on Telegram, you're probably about to lose millions. In a wild twist, Radiant Capital, a DeFi platform, got hit by North Korean hackers. These cyber ninjas posed as a trusted ex-contractor, sending a developer a zip file on Telegram. One click and bam! Malware slipped past top-tier security like a master thief. Even with high-tech tools like Tenderly and hardware wallets, Radiant lost $52 million in cryptocurrency. The hackers used some rare Delang-based malware, a sneaky move from the infamous Lazarus Group. These guys have hacked everything from farms to finance. They've hit the crypto world before, snagging millions by sliding into DMs and exploiting security gaps. This time, they took over 3 out of 11 multi-sig approval keys, draining funds faster than you can say blockchain. So what's the takeaway? Be super cautious with unsolicited messages, even from trusted sources. In the DeFi world, one wrong click can turn your fortune into thin air. Remember, if an ex-colleague slides into your DMs with a feedback request, think twice. It might just be your funds going up in smoke.